Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my kitchen for another decluttering video. Today I'm doing day 14 of the 30 bags in 30 days challenge that Sophia at My Great Challenge has issued. And if you're just tuning in for the first time, I am taking way longer than 30 days to get this done, but I'm not giving up. I'm going to keep going, and it's been good for me to at least have these small projects to work on and keep decluttering. So here we go. I only have about 10 minutes before I have to go pick up my daughter from school, so I'm going to set my timer for that. And on Sophia's list, day 14 is supposed to be in the living room, and it's supposed to be for decor on the shelves, candles, etc. Well, our living room is very sparsely decorated. We really only have the bookshelf. That's the only surface we have besides my desk, and there's a handful of items on there, and I don't feel like they need to be decluttered. However, my secret stash of candles definitely needs to be decluttered. So what I'm working on right now is a cabinet that's below our microwave in the kitchen. I have my two bins here, and I'm going to work on going through just probably this left-hand cabinet. The right-hand side is just where we keep, I don't know if you can even see that, but we just keep extra bottled water and towels and stuff in there. So that's okay. This whole top section is tends to be where I throw things that are my daughter's and I don't know what to do with. So I'm gonna actually clear all this off. That way I can clean it out. And if you don't know, I have a 4-year-old daughter. So she and I can go through this little collection later on together when she's home from school, and we'll figure out what in here is actually something we need to keep, like this. This was some sort of project from school. Sorry, I'm definitely not the best lighting, but I'll try to keep it better for you there. Must be getting brighter outside, so all right. And the tissues actually can stay here. Okay, so getting down to the last bit here. Okay, so that is her stuff, and we will go through that later, and I can clean that up. There we go. Okay, now on to the candles. So initially this cabinet was for sorry, the lighting is kind of all over the place, but it's sunny outside and I guess the clouds are rolling in. Anyway, extra tissues, that's what I want to keep in here. What's ended up in here is a mishmash of old candle containers that I think I'm going to use. So, whoops, let's just get started. Also CDs. I have a few that I play here in the kitchen sometimes. So let me start with the empty ones. And I don't know, I need to just go through and decide what I'm doing with all these. So these that are basically empty, I need to clean the wax out and use it in our fire starter pile. This could be gift wrap. I think this goes on here. And then these are taper candles, which really should go in the dining room because that's where the taper candle holders are. So I'm going to move those into the dining room. Those just need to be relocated. Hopefully you can see me. All right, so I have a lot of old containers like this, which I don't mind reusing them, but obviously if they're stuck in here and I don't even know what I have and I'm not reusing them, then they're not really that helpful. So that's part of the problem. Okay, so these are all just empty containers that I need to try to recycle, reuse, relocate, or just pitch. Then tissues can actually go back in there. I have one good candle that I'm still currently using. What's on the bottom? Just wait, there's more. So what do we have here? Small candles, small votives. I don't use votives very often. And actually I know These are a lot of like chocolate and coffee scented ones. Spiced pear, I'm not a fan of that. So these are all at 3 in the wrapper, so I'm going to donate those because I think someone else could use those then. This one we've just never really used, and I think the last time I tried using it, it didn't burn well, so that's going in the fire starter pile. What else is back down here? Another empty. Oh, there's more. That's a deep cabinet, and that's part of the problem is what do you keep in a deep cabinet? I think I might need to, if I'm going to continue to use it, get some bins. So here we have more. Okay, yeah, that fire starter. Some of these, you know, I don't mind keeping 1 or 2 of things like this, which I know it's going to burn when we have power outages. Occasionally that happens, so I'm okay with that. I'm not really a fan of that scent anymore. And these I've never used, but they're votives. And these are votives. Okay, so essentially I have this little basket and this candle that I'm keeping. The rest I need to dispose of in one form or fashion or another. And this bin or cake pan actually does kind of work, but I think what would be better is really something like these white bins that I'm using. Sorry, I don't know why the lighting keeps doing that, but that is suited to the depth of the cabinet a little bit more. And I need to rethink what I'm even keeping back there. I also see in the very far back is some of our technology stuff, like the book and the container that our Bluetooth speaker came in. I don't know that we need to keep that, so I need to check with my husband if he wants to keep that or not. But at least I've gotten in here. I know what I have, and I have a plan of attack now for what's remaining and the stuff that's really just been clutter and has been getting in the way of storing the things that we usually do store in this cabinet. So, all right, that's it for me for today. I have about 3 minutes left, so I'm going to use that time to put away what I can, dispose of what I can, and relocate what I can. And then I'll be able to say this area has been decluttered. So thanks so much for joining me, and I was looking to see if there was something. I guess I could show you this. Oh, this container right here has all been decluttered, and it's full of candle containers or different types of candles. So the wax I'll put in the fire starter kits, and the candle containers themselves, if I can't find a home for them, then I'll have to donate them. So, or dispose of them if they're broken. So thanks again for joining me, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can see all of my videos when they get posted. Hit the like button if you like these sort of decluttering videos, and check out my channel to see if there's something else on there that interests you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.